Hi loves, happy snowy Saturday. I am coming to you today because I'm going to show you a couple of tips and tricks to style your bang or fringe area at home. I got a little punchy during quarantine and I cut myself some longer curtain bangs. I do not recommend that you do this at home. I am a licensed professional. I've been doing this for a very long time, but I do want to show you some tips and tricks to help you style at home. So I just re-wet my fringe. I prepped my blowout today with keratin healing oil, hair treatment, and bounce up spray from Lanza. I love these two products together. This gives me insane shine. This gives me a little body and movement. So let's get started. I start by rough drying my fringe area. I then use my round brush to pull my fringe forward instead of to the side. This ensures that I don't get any wings or bends and that I get a smooth, flat finish. So I typically wear my hair parted in the middle, but as you can see, by bringing it forward, instead of trying to blow it to the side or to this side, I don't get any of those strange bends in my hair. It kind of falls where I want it. Now this is great too. You can do it to this side if this is the way that you part your hair. Give it a little spray. We can go this way. It's really universal, which is what I love about this technique. So I know it's hard to get out of that habit to try not to bend your hair in a certain direction, but by blowing it forward, you get a little bit of volume off your forehead, and you don't get any of those bends. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoy the weekend, and I hope to see you soon.